Hello, my name is Erin Liebman. I am one of the board members of the Colorado Healthcare Ethics Forum, or SHEP, and I am a behavioral health clinical nurse specialist at UC Health. Welcome to you coming to see our preview of our 2024 SHEP Annual Conference, which will be Wednesday and Thursday, May 22nd through 23rd, 2024 at the Welsher Event Center in Denver. Our theme this year is Healthcare Equity, Ethical Challenges and Solutions, where we will explore healthcare equity, focusing on difficult ethical challenges and solutions that advance the fair and just delivery of healthcare and underserved and underrepresented populations. And to talk a little bit more about that, I am absolutely delighted to have with me today Tonie Moore, who is one of our speakers at the conference. Welcome, Tonie. I'm so glad to have you here. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely, Erin. Thank you. And thanks for having me. My name is Tonie Moore. I'm Director of Nursing for the Primary Care Clinics here at Denver Health, which includes internal medicine, family med, our urgent care, diabetes management, and then I support our dental programs for the organization. I also serve as a co-chair for our Diversity, Equity, Inclusion, and Belonging Council, and have about a little over 28 years of nursing and leadership experience.
That's wonderful. I'm so glad to hear that you have such a wealth of experience and things to share with us at this conference. Would you share with us a little bit about the focus of your presentation for the conference?
Absolutely. I did want to mention also too, as far as my background, as it relates to this conference and focus, I am also adjunct faculty at DU for their healthcare management program, and I had the pleasure of developing and creating curriculum for a course that we teach, which is called Health Equity and Social Justice course. And I serve as a board member for DU through the healthcare management program, and then also a part of the National Association of Health Services Executives. And as far as my presentation, the title of the presentation is Equity in Healthcare. Applying the social justice model. And basically, the presentation really, what I would love to do is bring awareness to the social justice model and how it is relevant in healthcare, and basically really looking at how the model offers a framework to address inequities and how we promote equity for all patients, regardless of their cultural background or their socioeconomic status.
That sounds like an extremely pertinent topic and something that's very needed in Colorado right now. Absolutely. What do you think the participants can expect to learn from your presentation?
Well, what I really want to highlight is really again talking about um, I would love for them to gain a comprehensive understanding of the principles of social justice model, which are access, equity, participation, diversity, and human rights. And so with that, not only understanding how they're applied to social justice in healthcare, but then also what are the barriers to applying the five principles. And really discussing the importance of, again, cultural competency in healthcare delivery, and then, gaining an understanding based on recognizing and respecting like diverse populations, backgrounds that we service, and then how do we become an advocate for social justice in healthcare? It's really time for us to meet our patients where they are, and then how do we create opportunities for all patients, regardless of their ability to pay or their cultural background. And so just really trying to create an understanding about how it takes all of us on this journey to accomplish social justice.
I really love that holistic sort of perspective and all these different angles that we have to take to be able to achieve something. It's not just a one size fits all, it sounds like, by any means. However, it sounds like we need to generate a lot of awareness
Yes.
and in order to move these programs forward. So I'm really delighted that we're having you here to speak. And I also really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to join us and to have this quick little interview, a little taste of the presentations to come. We've got a lot of presentations that are going to be at our chef conference Remember, it's the Colorado Healthcare Ethics Forum. You can find at the coloradohealthcareethicsforum.com. And remember, May 22nd, May 23rd, this year, so like a month away or less if you're seeing this later on. Space is limited, so we really want you to buy your tickets soon so you can join us and have some really robust conversations about ethics, diversity, inclusion, all of these amazing concepts that really need to come forward and be discussed by a broad number of people of specialties and all caring about our communities and our healthcare. So thank you so much again, Tonie, for joining us. Do you have anything else that you'd like to add before we sign off for the day?
Yeah, actually, Erin, I would love for everyone to come out and join us at this year's Chef Conference. It is going to be a great experience, and we would love to fill the room and see as many people as possible. So thank you, Erin. Thank you for taking the time to meet with
Thank you
me.
so much. I really appreciate your time, Tonie. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at the conference.
Bye-bye.